For lawyers to be effective, it's extremely important that you understand the facts around the case. And that means you have to do a lot of digging and doing everything you can to learn about the case. You have to review the notes that you've taken from your interviews. So I think generally speaking, you're going to want to have the facts on your side more so than the law. The facts matter a lot because the law can be malleable at times. It's open to interpretation, as are the facts. But if you have favorable facts, you have to learn to put those together into a compelling narrative that's going to benefit your client. In other words, your client has to be the likable protagonist, and the person you're against, the enemy or the antagonist, needs to not be as likable. And we see that a lot in the personal injury context and other injury-related cases like car wrecks, medical malpractice cases. You just have to make your person, your client, a compelling character in that story. And that's why lawyers need to be the master of the case and meet with and learn the client about the case, learn from the client, do everything you possibly can to really know it sort of deep in your bones, what is going on, what is true, what is not true, what needs to be shored up, what are the weak points, what are the strong points, and how to respond to the weak points, to know the other side's arguments, to think like the other lawyer. A good lawyer should be able to argue for and against their case pretty effortlessly back and forth. You have to be able to do that. You have to be able to consider both sides, and you can't do that if you don't know the client, you don't know the facts, and you don't know the case backwards and forwards.